What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the Poco X2. As you guys already know that Poco is an independent brand and they are going to be unveiling their first ever device, the Poco X2, as an independent brand on February 4th. There are many leaks and rumors regarding that particular device, and also many of the specification has been leaked over the internet by Poco themselves on their Twitter account, and even on their website there are many specifications regarding that device has already been unveiled by Poco itself. Today's video I'm gonna tell you each and every specification which we are going to be seeing in this particular device. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon as well so you can get notified for every new video which I upload on this channel. So let's jump into the video, and the first thing which we are going to discuss is about the display of that device. So in terms of display, the upcoming Poco X2 is coming with a 6.67 inch of Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. 20:9 is the aspect ratio is expected to come in this device. 395 ppi density is expected to coming in this device, and the front is also expected to be protected with a Gorilla Glass 5 protection. HDR10 support is also being seen in this device, and one of the main highlight of that device, the presence of 120 Hz of a refresh rate in that device, which is a nice thing because all the animations and the overall interaction with the device will become more awesome. The front is also coming with a dual punch hole camera cutout present on the top right corner of the device. Next we are going to talk about the cameras. Well, in terms of cameras, the front has a dual punch hole camera cutout, and the main camera in there is of 20 megapixel, and the 2 megapixel of a depth sensor camera is going to be seen in Poco X2. HDR is also supported by the selfie camera, and 1080p 30 frame per second video is going to be made using this front camera. On the back we have a quad camera setup in which the main camera is of 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel of a ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel of a depth sensor camera, and 2 megapixel of a macro lens is expected to be in the upcoming Poco X2. Moving on, in terms of processor, it is expected to be coming in either Snapdragon 730G or Snapdragon 730 processor. Both of these processors are based on 8 nanometer architecture, and the GPU which is coming inside is Adreno 618. Next is about the memory. In terms of memory, it is expected to coming in 4 different variants: 6GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and an 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage is expected to be seen in upcoming Poco X2. Micro SD card support is also available in this, and also the storage which is coming inside will be supporting a UFS 2.1 storage support. Moving on, we have the operating system, and Android 10 is expected to be seen in this particular device, and it is based on MIUI 11 skin. That is awesome thing because Poco X2 is going to be provide us the latest Android software in their device, which is a great thing. In terms of battery, it is expected to be coming with a 4500 mAh of a battery with a 27 watt of fast charging support inside it. And lastly, we have the price of that device, and in terms of price, it is expected that the base variant 6GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage is expected to be coming in $251. Rest of the variant price has not yet been confirmed, so I can't give you that price in this video. So guys, if we look at the overall specification of the upcoming Poco X2, it is kind of leaning towards the Redmi K30 because Redmi K30 has a similar specification and similar design just like we have seen in Poco X2. So it is not going to be surprising that on February 4th we might see the Redmi K30 rebranded as Poco X2. So guys, that is pretty much it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.